Hey guys, I'm here with Jerry, and we've got this job that just came in. It's a mess right now, and Jerry's going to tell you what we're going to do with it.
These are breaker plates. These are something that we do normally here at Alliance. They'll go into the oven. They come in, maybe filled with plastic and parts. We'll go over and drop them into the oven. They get clean. Then we will go over and sandblast them or glass bead them to turn around and be per spec on the customer. Check everything for burrs and send them back to them, usually within 24 hours.
So Jerry, how does something like this happen?
It's just from normal buildup. As the plastic goes through the system, they can melt and turn around and gain extra heat and go over and get stuck. Once they get clogged up, the plastic doesn't heat as much and it'll just stay there.
So we're going to take these, get all the plastic out, get them cleaned up, get them just like new, and all that in
less than 24 hours.
So stay tuned, you'll see the whole process. All right, here we are. This is after all the processes have been done, and Jerry's going to run us through what happened here.
Well, what we have done is taken the filthy components, gone over and put them through the fluidized bed oven, baked off the plastic off of them, let them cool back down naturally so they do not warp or anything else, and then proceed to go over and put them in a sandblast booth and turn around and sandblast them to make sure everything is clean. Then they were inspected to make sure all the holes were clean, that there were no burrs on it or anything else. They'll be packed back up and sent back out. The process yesterday took about an hour to get them clean for 8 pieces.
So it's a quick, easy process to get done, and it's going to help you out. How would somebody do this in a typical fashion if they didn't have a bath?
Chip them out, take a drill, go through each hole, turn around and clean them, and then sandblast them. They're looking at a couple hours a piece.
Yeah, and much more dangerous to the part.
Right, definitely.
Well, that's
scoring and everything else.
So that's why we do it the way we do it. That's why we have the bat. That's why we have Jerry and his team. So hope you learned a little bit. If you want more information, let us know, and we're happy to help.